gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy you found my channel. I like to do fashion and craft DIYs and all kinds of other fun stuff. So if you like this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload a video. Alright guys, in this video I have for you one of my absolutely favorite subscription boxes, the Heroes Tower. So normally we have a craft challenge every month, but he needed to take a break for this month, so I don't have craft challenge results, but look forward to those next month because I am coming up with some pretty awesome ideas for DIYs with those comic books, and you guys don't want to miss that. So without further ado, let's see what I got this time. Okay guys, so here's my box. Woo! I tore all that off on the side there because it had my address on it and I don't want to share that with the world. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and pop open this box. Here's what it looks like when I open it. Let's see what we got. So he always includes an item list for me. I'm not sure if he's doing that for everybody yet or not, but I do have an item list of everything that is in my box. And if you guys aren't familiar with this box, I got this one on Cratejoy, and it is a geeky subscription box, and they do have a plethora of options on Cratejoy for you to choose what box would be most suitable for you or get it as a gift for somebody else. Guys, the holidays are coming up. If you have a geeky friend, a geeky brother, sister, or kid, whatever, this box is awesome. And again, it is customized towards the things that I like. And if you guys go on there, pick out whatever it is that you like, you can get a box of the things that you're into. Okay, so I have a link in the description box below. If you haven't checked this one out, please make sure you do that. This box is awesome. Okay, so right on top we have a flash postcard. Check that out, guys. That is so fun. So the idea behind the postcards is to be able to send out a geeky hello. I love this idea. I think it is awesome, but I usually love them so much that I end up keeping them, and I'm going to frame them, and I have a great idea for this, but I can't display them until I get my craft studio done, so you guys will see that at some point in the future. All right, what is this? Device decals. Oh my gosh, this is exciting. Oh, I'm not showing you guys. Oh, the possibilities. Oh my gosh, I am super stoked about this. Dude, I just want to open it right now. I'm not even kidding, but I won't. Well, maybe I will. Guys, I gotta see it. Don't you guys want to see it? I do. Here we go. Ooh, yes. Guys, these are awesome. Look at that. Oh my gosh, the possibilities. Now, I know you're supposed to just stick them on devices and all of that kind of stuff, but I can tell you right now that I am definitely going to be doing some DIYing with these. These are awesome. Oh my gosh, I've got to start thinking, oh, the Marvel one. Oh, look at that one. Yes, please. Oh my gosh, and Thor, look. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm super stoked. Okay, that is awesome. All right, I'm so stoked. What do we have here? Ooh, Spider-Man tattoos. Oh, yes, please. Okay, so here it is on the front, guys. Here's the little picture, and here's some of the tattoos that are included on the back. I love using temporary tattoos in my crafting, and I'm really stoked to have these. I'm so stoked. Okay, what's over here? Minions! I think my son might like this. What do you do? So here's the Minion thing, and I'm not really sure what it is. They got a picture on the back here that shows you what you're supposed to do with it. I'm sure it'll be something super fun for my son. It's called Splatums. Sure, that sounds fun. What's in here? Ooh, yes, please. Hello. Oh my gosh, you guys won't get as excited as I do about this stuff, but oh my gosh. He also includes the stamp, guys, so that you can send out a geeky hello on him and on his dime. Guys, look at this magnet. This magnet is so super awesome. This is a handmade item. Look at how awesome that is. Oh my gosh, I'm so super stoked. A Wonder Woman magnet. I love it. It is awesome. Guys, this is what I was oohing and on about. When am I going to put it on? It's a Transformer patch. Look at that. Yes, please. I mean, yes, please. I am so super stoked. It's an iron-on patch. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'm definitely going to figure something out. That is awesome. Okay. What else do we have in here? Ooh, a Spider-Man paperweight. How fun is that? That is awesome. I'll put it on my office desk. I have an office desk here at home because I work from home now, and that will be great on there. Imagine if I took that to work. That'd be fun, right? Ooh, what do we have in here? Ooh, I see a Hello... Oh my gosh, I see Hello Kitty. Oh my gosh, how awesome is that? So it's a little Hello Kitty pin. How cute is that, guys? Yay, that is adorable. I love it, love it, love it. Oh my gosh. Oh, we have another one. It says yummy. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, I love it, love it, love it. I really do, guys. Oh, there's another one. Ah! This is so awesome, guys. It just keeps coming and coming and coming. Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. I love it. Oh, then we got some Hello Kitty stickers. Stop it. Look, guys. Oh, what am I going to do with these? That one looks kind of Christmassy. Should I do a Christmas something with it? Look at that. That is adorable. Oh my gosh, you guys, how fun are all these stickers? Obviously, these aren't all Hello Kitty, and to be honest with you, I don't know who all the characters are, but they are super cute, so I definitely figure out what I'm going to do with them. I don't know what's going on with my light over here, but it keeps going off. So let me pause for a second. I'm going to turn my light back on, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I don't know why my one light keeps acting up, but it keeps going off. I just don't understand it. So then we have this bad girl sticker. It's got, what is her name? Oh my gosh, I can't think of her name, but she was on, oh my gosh, The Little Mermaid. What the heck is her name? This one right here, the octopus? I can't think of it. All right. Ooh, this is pretty. This looks like Belle, right? Am I right, guys? I think so. But that is really pretty. Wow, possibilities with that one. Always and forever. Oh, these are so cool, guys. I am super stoked to use these. I'm not even kidding. So we have Dopey. That is cute. Check that out. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, here, The Little Mermaid. There she is. I just wish I could think of that stupid octopus's name, but I can't think of her name. That's fine. I'm not sure what that's from, but there's a really cool sticker. I'm definitely going to find a use for it because that is really awesome. The toys are back in town. So we have a Toy Story one too. How cute is that? Guys, what? All these awesome stickers. Oh wait, there's a, oh how cute. It's like a little Hello Kitty thing that you put in your keychain. Stop it! How cute is that, guys? I can't stop. That is adorable. Oh my gosh, I cannot. That is just so stinking cute. I love it. Wow, that was really like the jackpot. I'm not even kidding. Ooh! So we have Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle hanging. This is also a handmade item, and it is Leonardo. How fun is that? Love the color choices there. That is super pretty. Yes! I am so excited. I have another one of these, and I have to think of a place to put them all, but they are really awesome. Okay, so we have some pins in here. Let's take a look and see what we got. What do we got? What do we got? Oh my gosh, I can't. It's upside down. It's Spider-Man. You're tearing us apart. A Spider-Man pin. Look at that. Yes, please. Oh my gosh, I love this box, you guys. Wowzers. This looks like Raphael. Pretty sure that's red. If it's not red, it's orange, and it's Michelangelo. You guys get the idea. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Transformers. Bam. Can you guys see it? I sure hope that you can. I just fixed my light, and then I think it's causing issues. Ooh, another Transformer. Okay, can you guys see that? I sure hope you guys are getting this because these are so super fun. Okay, so there's a big thing in here, and that was taking up the entire box. Where should I put the box? Right there. It's all wrapped up. I don't know what it is, guys. Open it up and see what we got. Oh my gosh, this is like the coolest thing ever. Okay, guys, Donatello is my favorite Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, just because he's purple, and I got a bowl. What? I got a Donatello ceramic bowl, you guys. What? I am so super stoked. Okay, let's open it up, guys. We have to open it up. I have to show it to you because I am really super stoked. What? He finds the coolest stuff to put in these boxes, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Set all this aside. I don't want to break it. Definitely don't want to break it. Oh, I just love him. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is so awesome. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I'm going to use it for. It's obviously obviously going to be decorative. You know, guys, would it be like off the wall if I put like flowers in there or something? Maybe some geeky flowers made out of comics, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle comics. Come on, you guys with me here? Wouldn't that be cool? Tell me it's cool, please. Because I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm definitely thinking that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a little DIY and put some Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle comics and make roses with them. How fun would that be? Yes, please. Wow. Okay, Chad. You're outdoing yourself with these boxes. They just keep getting better and better and better. Guys, if you are not familiar with this subscription box, please check it out. It is on Cratejoy. I will have a link in the description box below. And again, this one is customized towards the things that I like. So just make sure that you check out the available options and see if there are any that you like. And if you don't see something that you like, then reach out to him. And it's a possibility he might be able to make one specifically with what it is that you like. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. And I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambazar's DIY, and is my hair looking crazy? Well, I always look crazy, but I mean, it's more than normal. I don't know. In this video, I have for you one of my absolutely favorite subscription boxes, the Heroes Tower. So, you guys know, well, maybe they don't know. Do they know? Does everybody know? Do I know? Okay, let's try it again.